Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Task Force Off-Road. And if you've ever been in the garage and couldn't find your 10 mil, go down and subscribe to the channel and like this video. I promise you're gonna enjoy this one. So we're doing some shit today. Realistically, it was supposed to be the lift. It's not the lift. Now it's the bumper, but I'm gonna splice this in my original intro. I made a new one, but we're gonna get back into it today. We're messing with stuff, so stay tuned. Episode 2. In this episode, we're gonna be repairing the frame damage, the little bit of frame damage we got here, and we're also going to be installing my new lift coils that they came in before the accident. And well, I'm not gonna get in line before I lift it, so yeah. Today, we're gonna be doing the lift coil. All right, guys, I'm really pissed off at Jeep right now because the last time they did a free oil change for me, which they fuck up every single time. I'm past 30 seconds, right? Anyways, I don't care. Jeep fucked me over. They stole my wheel fucking key. Every single one of my lugs is on that key. So I can't take my wheels off, so I can't put the new springs on today. Luckily, I can put the replacement bumper on finally. So, JCR, I'm sorry this took so long, but I'm pissed off. All right, this is an instructional video doing it, so enjoy the ride.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Alright guys, so we're all sorts of annoyed right now just because little things have kept on happening and we pretty much have to rewire my entire backup light situation, but we're getting there. Next things, we're probably gonna pull out the spindle and we're getting it. So we'll get back to you guys in a little bit, but we're jamming out some music and we're trying to work fast because we don't have that much time. And since I'm not doing the springs today, I might start trying to do the framework, but everything's up in the air. But we got the new bumper here, we got the old bumper here. We're about to pull the lights off and keep going with it.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Have you ever had absolutely nothing go right when working on a car? Because that's where we're at right now. This spindle is fighting us, boys. And I just destroyed the only cutoff wheel left in my garage. So off to Home Depot to buy more cutoff wheels. And I I realistically have no idea how we're gonna get this thing off, but it's gonna happen, so yeah.
At least we get to go for a ride in T-Rex.
Yeah, at least we get to drive in the Subi for a little bit, because it's, you know what, at least it's 50 degrees outside, all right? I'm gonna say that. It could be cold. At least it's 50 degrees outside. And turbo noises, so some turbo noises. All right, guys, we're back. This is day 2, episode 2. It's like 2 days later. I got really sick yesterday after being busy, but we're gonna tackle the frame damage today. Whatever, you know what I'm talking about. This is where we left the rear bumper. I ordered a new spindle. I'm waiting for that thing to come in, and then I'll unscrew all this. And then I also plan on buying a 3-pin wiring harness and cleaning all this up, because this looks disgusting. It's a mess. It's a mess. We're gonna fix that in the rebuild process. But now, frame work. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, stay tuned. So here I was thinking I got a piece of steel that was too big. No, I got one that was barely big enough. I might have to order another piece of steel. We're gonna try and send it though, boys, because I have nothing better to do. I need to be productive. I need to try and be productive. So we're gonna draw out these holes, and I'm gonna find some bolts, and we're gonna make do with what we got.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
Okay, got the holes drilled. Now I'm pretty sure that templated out well. Make sure I didn't mess it up. Now these holes are a lot bigger than the ones I drilled, so I'll probably have to elongate and enlarge these. But I also didn't want to go too big. And survey says we can make this work, I think. So now I need to get some bolts, and we're gonna start attempting to fix this framework. I haven't decided if I'm bringing you to Home Depot or not. I have to run a bunch of errands, so I'm probably gonna do all my errands, come back, and get back to messing with the frames. Okay guys, so here's the idea. I'm gonna take this plate, which one of these holes, my drill got chewed the hell up, so I couldn't finish it all the way through. But I'm gonna put the plate up, I'm gonna bolt it to it, and in theory, I should be able to suck that back with the power of the bolts. So we're gonna see if this works. If it doesn't, we're gonna have some more creative ideas. But for now, this is idea number 1.
Everything, fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Alright guys, I'm gonna leave that overnight like so, and I feel like I need to get a new drill bit within the next couple days and do that. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so that's not gonna happen. I also need to figure out how to bring this top portion back in. Probably gonna involve some sort of a bar and a hammer. So stay tuned guys, there's more to come with this rebuild project. Shoot, this might not even be the last portion of this episode, but I'm gonna start editing. I'm gonna upload all this footage. I'm gonna see where we're at, and then I'll decide that later. But like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. I really appreciate the subscribes. Don't forget, we are, I think, 29 subscribers away from the next giveaway announcement. So I mean, hey, here, we got free stuff coming out, boys. We got free stuff coming out. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.
But it's too late now. I remember
for you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right.